Hello everyone, welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to show you a little bit of proof of how the 𝗖cie Infinity Processor system works, and I want to show you some proof how I have gotten $600 in 1 week. $600 in 1 week just by using this system. And as you can see right here, how I got proof to show you. As you can see right here, I said it's crazy how you can get your breakthrough and it could come out of nowhere and you don't even realize it. And all you got to do is be consistent, and it's because of snowball effect. This is my first time getting 2 commissions in 1 week. I encourage everyone to keep being consistent, chasing your goals, and don't give up, because there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. All right, and you can see a lot of people had commented on that, and this goes to show you how being consistent pays off. You can see $300 one day, $300 another day. And this is just by me following step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to show you here back where in the proof that it's other people that's doing the same. And that's actually, they didn't took action, and they're actually doing it themselves. They didn't need anybody to tell them. They're people that's being their own boss, and they going through the instructions that was taught to them. They following every step because the training is already in the pudding. You know, you got to just go back there and just look at all the information and train and just be consistent. That is the main #1 thing, is being consistent. So you can see right here, Aaron Spence, you know, bringing people in. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people. This is the proof group. You know how people are just showing you, you know, that people could do this too. This is a commission that I have got. This is a person that came up under me. You know, she joined with me. She saw that it was an opportunity. She took action. This is 𝗖cieých𝘁𝗁𝘁. So congratulations for 𝗖cieých𝘁𝗁𝘁, you know, joining at the pro level, taking that opportunity. You can see it every day. You know, I can keep scrolling. Lots of results. People bringing in people a day. So when you go back here and check out this proof group, you know that this is real. You can see that this is real. It's not just me that's making it, because trust me, it took me tons of time to figure this out. I didn't even know in the beginning, because I know how it is as a newbie. It could be challenging at times when you start from the ground. I'm here to tell you. And it's a lot in this game that I'm still learning, you know what I'm saying? But I'm pressing through, and I'm speaking on behalf of the newbies, because I'm still a newbie myself, and I'm getting these types of results. So you could do the same, and I could pretty much show you these types of ways how I do it. And you know, and not saying that, you know, I'm the only way. It's a million other ways out here to do one thing. You know, I'm just giving you little guidelines of the stuff that had worked for me, and how well you could apply it, and it could possibly work for you. So that's the goal, to show you that, you know, this system works. And this is the system right here, Infinity Processor System, and I'm at the $300 level. So pretty much I get the complete bundle package. You get everything, and that's what you want to do. You want to not leave any money on the table. You want to be able to get the most out of what you're promoting. You know what I mean? And the IPS is a blueprint. This is to show you how to market. This is to show you how to be able to market on social media. And, you know, for everybody that's not technical savvy, not computer savvy, this is showing newbies how to market themselves and how to brand themselves. And the lady by the name of Adriana, she did this system very well. The way she designed this system. I learned a lot of things that I didn't learn when I first did marketing. You know, this is one way you don't have to chase people. She teaches that you don't have to chase people. You let people come to you with attraction marketing. So that's what shows you. And if you can look here on the left-hand side, look, this is what stands out to me a lot. Is you know, you get the art of persuasion. You know, what matters, what is a master influencer, best persuasion methods in business. It teaches you techniques, you know, that you can learn to get your mindset right, because you're going to have to, when you get on online doing marketing affiliate, you have to learn self-development. You have to teach yourselves how to be positive, how to give you a push, how to follow daily routines, you know. All these types of methods what makes you become a better marketer. Then You got materials. You got 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads. So if I click on that, you can see all these different types of messages that you can send in Facebook groups. Then you get pictures. You get to download these pictures and you get to post these pictures. So they give you material to be able to use in case if you don't have your own material. Now, I'm not saying that don't put your own material, just all use 𝗖씨's material, but this gives you a little bit of boost and give you a push to give you the idea to know what you have to post on a daily basis. So also they give you a 7-day action plan. And these basically helps you out to build up your routine every day. It'll tell you what you need to do, on a daily basis. If you don't know any types of routine to plan your day, it'll teach you, well, what do I need to post on Monday? I need to follow up maybe on Tuesday, with all my leads. So it gives you step-by-step daily routine agenda that you can help better and push your business. Facebook mastery, marketing mastery, how to make Facebook stories, how to post in groups. That's a good thing to check out. And it also gives you, how to purchase paid traffic, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok, one of the newest sources of way of how to show your opportunity, and it's blowing up day by day. Guys, this is incredible. All this you get all this in a bundle in one, all this in one system. So, I highly advise y'all to check this out. If you would like to get started with me, so you could be able to get these results, or it's a possible you could get these results. I'm not saying that results are typical, because results are not typical. You may get more, you may get less, but it just depends on how you work your business. I had to put and be transparent, and I had to give you that disclaimer. It's up to your marketing efforts to show you and let you know if it's going to work or not, all right? But this is just to give you a background that this is possible, and you could be able to make this type of money. You could be able to become being your own boss. As you can see right here, it says become your own boss. You can become your own boss if you apply yourself and apply these actions, all right? So that's it for today with the Infinity Processing System. If you'd like to get started with me, the link in the description will be below. I highly advise you, if you do get started, to get into that pro level. But if not, come in whatever you could come in and get started right there. As long as you get your feet wet, get the training that you need, and it's all, the sky's the limit, all right? Well, that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.